Hello good people, welcome back to another interesting video. Today guys, I share with you how to make fluffy donuts. Yes. Now, having introduced the ingredients to you, let's get started. Yeah. So guys, here is our flour. We are making use of 3.5 cups of flour. Alright? Okay. It is time to start mixing. Here is our yeast. Yes. A tablespoon of yeast and a teaspoon of salt, followed by your sugar. Okay, I'll be leaving the measurement and the ingredients, the list of it, all in the description box or at the end of this video. Okay, yes. So once you've added that in, mix it together. Okay, yes. So guys, now go in with your egg. We're making use of 1 large egg. Add that, and then your butter. We're making use of 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, you can as well melt it before using, depending how your butter is. Like this one is soft, so I don't need to melt it. Okay, all right. So now you start mixing just like this, guys. Once it resembles breadcrumbs, just like this, the next thing to do is to introduce your water. Yes. Remember, we are making use of warm water, a 1/2 cup, okay? Yes. So you add it bit by bit. In that way, it will be easier for you to mix and, of course, control, okay? We don't want it watery, just note that. We don't want it watery, okay? Yeah, at this point guys, we are done. So we're gonna allow it to rest, okay? Let's say for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, while that is happening, let's go on and cut our peppers. Yes, we're gonna be placing our doughs on them, okay? And if this is your first time meeting my video, you are welcome. My name is Ijoma. Please do well to be part of the family, okay? You can only do that by subscribing. Also, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. All right, thank you so much. All done, guys. So you go ahead and sprinkle some flour on them. Yes, it will prevent your dough from sticking to the pepper or while frying, for easier placing of the dough inside your oil. Yes, so don't skip it, okay? Now, after 20 minutes, flour your work surface and transfer your dough, okay? Now, you begin to knead. Yeah, we're going to knead it for, let's say, 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah. We want it smooth. Please, while kneading, try as much as possible to beat your dough, okay? I don't know if you understand, but keep watching. You will get to know what I'm talking about. Just like this, you hit it on the floor. Yeah, try to beat it. Yes. We want it smooth and we want a fluffy dough. Yes. Very stretchy. For you to know that your dough is perfect. Yes, for this donut recipe, it must be stretchy. At this point, guys, we are done. So get your bowl, all right? Drizzle in a tablespoon of oil, your vegetable oil, okay? And go ahead and place your dough on it. All right. So guys, we're going to allow it to sit for 20 minutes or 30 years, or watch when it has doubled in size. And after 30 minutes, guys, look at what we have here. Now go ahead and punch out the gas, okay, or the air. Now transfer back to your work surface, okay, and knead. Just bring it together. You don't have to knead for long, okay, just like this. All right, now let's go ahead and divide it into 2. set that one aside. Yes, let's work with this one first. Alright guys, get your rolling pin and roll it out, okay? Please do not flatten it completely, like it shouldn't be thin. It should still be thick, okay? Yes, remember we're making donuts, you want it thick. So guys, so at this point, get your pie dish or any object, round object, okay? And cut out your doughs. Yeah, just like this, guys. Now get another smaller round object, yes, just like this one I'm using here. Place it in the middle of your flattened doughs, yes, and cut out the round shape, yeah, just like this, guys. Yeah, trying to get the donut shape, yeah. So guys, do the same with the remaining dough, okay? All right. Look at how it's looking. Good. Good. So guys, here are the rest of the doughs. Let's allow it sit again for another 30 minutes. Yes. Or watch when it has doubled in size, just like this, guys. Look at how they are looking, ready to be fried, okay? So guys, next up, get your frying pan and add in your vegetable oil. Yes, we're about to fry them, okay? All right, once your oil is heated, go on and add in your doughs, okay? Your donut doughs, yes. Now, you see the importance of placing your doughs on the paper. Yes, on the baking paper. In that way, you easily drop them into the oil, okay, without messing things up, all right? So guys, we're going to fry it both sides. Now at this point, we are flipping the other side. Looking good. At this point, guys, it is ready. So scoop it out of the oil, okay? You don't over fry it, right? Yes. Once it turns this golden brown look, just take it off, okay? And there you have it, guys. Our donut, fluffy donut, guys, is set. Now, for more perfect and attractive look, dab them on your sugar or your milk. Yes. Here we're making use of castor sugar. Yes. Let's just sprinkle it all over them. It will make it look more attractive, okay? But if you do not want it that way, it is okay. Yes. So guys, what I'm trying to say is it's optional. So guys, look at what we have here. Unboxing our delicious fluffy donuts, guys. Give it a shot, okay? It is looking so good. Oh my. Are you gonna try it? Let me know in the comment section, okay? If you have any question, leave it there. I promise I will attend to it, okay? Please do well to subscribe and of course, give it a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. So guys, now let's have a taste of it. Yes. Oh my, tastes so good. Delicious. Give it a shot, okay? Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.